day of the year. First reading, a reading from the prophet Isaiah, chapter 50, verse 5 to 9. I offered my back to those who struck me. The Lord has opened my ear. For my part, I made no resistance, neither did I turn away. I offered my back to those who struck me, my cheek to those who tore at my beard. I do not cover my face against insult and spittle. The Lord